Hello here, I am Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths. Now exercise 14.3 you will see today. Question number 1. Exercise 14.3, find the median. Question number 1. In this it is given the monthly consumption in units given. Question number 1. Monthly consumption it is given in units. And 65 electricity frequency of electricity 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205. It is the consumption of electricity for the number of consumers. Number of consumers are given here. This is called the CI and it is a FI. What is given? 4, 4, 5, 13, 20, 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 6, 14, 8, 4. So total families are given here, 68 consumers. 68 consumer. It is given sigma Fi. You want to find out, what is your question? You want to find out the median, mean and mode. Median, mean and mode. So mode is a very simple. Median, mode that you calculate. Median you can calculate afterwards. Median is the first part, CF. First you find CF. 4, 9, 22, 42, 56, 64 and 68. It is your median. Cumulative frequency. What is the cumulative frequency? N by 2 you will calculate 68 by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. It is the 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 34. Greater than this, the CF is given 42. 42 is the CF which is greater than this. It means the median class will be this. What is the median class? Median class is 125 to 145. Frequency will be used 8 and CF will be used this. What is the L? L is 125, H is 20, F is equal to 20 and CF is equal to 22. You are getting. After getting this, you will get median class. So median formula you will write down L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Put the value 125 plus N by 2 34 minus 22 upon 20 into 20. That you are getting. Frequency as the class size both are equal, so you will get 125 plus 8. That is 125 plus 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. So you are getting 137 is the median of this. What you are getting? 137 is the median of this. Now mode you calculate and mean afterwards. Mode is very simple. For mode you get the median class. What is you get? Median class. Median class is equal to, for the mode, median class, model class, not median class. What will you get? Model class. Model class will be decided by maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is this, so model class is 145 because it is your maximum frequency. So the model class will be this. When it is a model class, then it will be a F0, it is F0, it is a F1, and it will be F2. L is 125, H is 20, frequency F1 is equal to 20, F0 is equal to 13, F2 is equal to 14. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the values here. What will you get? L is 125 plus 20 minus 13 divide by 40, 20 to the 40 minus 13 minus 14 multiply by 20. So what will you get? Is equal to 125 plus 7 into 20 divide by 40 minus 27. 125 plus 140 upon 13. So 125 plus 1, 13 1 is 13, 13 zeros are 10 point. So you can divide it 140 by 13. 10 7 jar. 13 7 jar 91 9 13 6 jar. So 10.76. That will be 135.76 is the mode. 135.76 is the mode, and by this mode you are getting the what is mean. Mean you can calculate by 2 mode plus 2 mean is equal to 3 median. It is given. So apply this formula. 2 mean is equal to 3 median minus mode. Put the values. What is the median? Median is given here. You have got the median 137. 3 into 137 minus 135.76. So mean will be upon 2. What is the answer coming? You multiply, subtract, and you can get the mean. It is the question number 1. No need to calculate. Empirical formula we will apply and do it. Question number 2, we'll see what is given. Question number 2. Question number 2 of this is given. Class interval and frequency. And the median is given. Question number 2, median is given. Median is given 28.5. CI is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And then frequency is given 5x20, 5x20, 15y, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 20, 5x. Oh, it is wrong. I have written here. It will be frequency 5x20, 15y5, and total is given 60. So you will calculate the CF 5 5 plus x, 25 plus x, 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, so median class is given. What is given? Median class, because median is 28, so median class will be 20 to 30. What will be the median class? 20 to 30. Between 20 and 30. So F will be 20 and CF, which is given 5 plus x, H is equal to 10, N is equal to 20. By this you will calculate median class. What is given? Then find the value. 60 is given here. 60. By 60, sigma Fi is given. What is the sigma Fi is equal to 45 plus x plus y, because we know that what is that this last frequency, it will be sigma Fi. So 60 is equal to 45 plus x plus y. So 60 minus 45, 15. 15 is equal to x plus y, it is equation first. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. L is given, what is the median? 28.5. What is the L? 20 plus N by 2. N by 2, you will write 60 by 2. What will you write? 60 by 2 minus 5 plus x in the bracket upon F. What is the F given? F is 20. Multiply by, what is the class size? 10. 0 and 0 cancel. 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 30 minus x by 2. 30 minus 5 minus x. So 8.5, 28.5, 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x. 2 5 are 10, 2 8 are 16 and 1 17 is equal to 25 minus x. X will transpose this side. So x is equal to 25 minus 17. 8. What are you getting x? 8. Therefore, by first 15 is equal to x plus y. So 15 minus x is equal to y. That is 15 minus 8, 7. What are you getting? 7. So 45 plus 15, you are getting 8 and 7 sigma Fi. What is the answer? You are getting 8 and 7. Clear? So by this, you are getting the 2 questions of this. Third question is also given, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So in these 2 questions, you are understanding how will you solve the question. That's all. Next I will tell you in the next lecture.